Okay, so a gumball machine, you pour the gumball into there, it goes down the track, drops, goes onto this, goes through the spider webs, goes through the tunnel, down like that, and then down, and then onto the plate.
Most of the times it worked. Sometimes like it didn't.
Like 90% of the time it works.
It took us like a couple days, like a couple class periods.
Like 3 days.
Benji built this part, and then I built the rest of this. And is the Ace monster from Ace, the helpful place. I just built this, and then I built this, and then I built this, and then I built this and this. Actually, Benji built this part. Okay. My favorite part is the most satisfying part. So, if you look here, it actually goes. So, look at this. This is the most satisfying part. Look at it on the thing. Look, it's so satisfying. Look at it roll.
Okay.
I got the spiral idea from Miss Wise. I came up with this like little zigzaggy ramp thing myself, and the funnel and stuff myself too. I didn't want it to be like a plain like ramp, to slow it down too, but also to be a bit more interesting.
Basically, it's just supposed to be simple, and you just let them roll in, and then
It like goes down and then it goes swirly and into the box thingy. Originally, it was supposed to like, this was supposed to be in the middle and this was supposed to be on the bottom where it would go and stop right here. We added more because of how tall this was. We wouldn't be able to add this higher, and it would, and even then me and my partner are short, so we couldn't like reach up. So I built a water park themed gumball machine because I just wanted people to know like what a water park feels like and like how cool it is to have a gumball machine kind of like rolling around. Usually it will like, you'll place it in here and then you'll pull this little stick and then it'll come down from here and swim around in this little like whirlpool thing, and then it'll jump down here and go all the way and land in here. If you would say like 20, it would probably work like 18 maybe out of 20. Yeah, it's really fun. I like how you can like use your skills to engineer like what you can imagine, and it's pretty cool because you can kind of like bring your ideas to life.
So this is my gumball machine or marble run, whatever it is, whatever it qualifies as. Anyways, you put this in here, it goes down this ramp, you lift this elevator and drop it into here. I might have worn out it working. Okay, then I grab this string, bring it to the top, tilt it over. Well, this wasn't my original design, but I didn't have time to do this. I did wanted to do some sort of elevator, and this was just the simplest thing.
Oh, we kind of just did like a random design with this giant slide that I've done like that.
Me and my friend Sawyer made it so like, this was our first idea to do something that was kind of like put it down here, but it didn't really work, so we had to add this. It works most of the time, but definitely not every time.
This hole, and it got stuck. Okay, then it goes down there, and it rolls down, and then it makes it into this carton right here. Okay. And if it goes the other way, where did it? Oh, okay, it's right there. I thought we would have a lot more classes, so that's why I did it. And then I realized I had to shorten it a lot, but I really like the idea of it going two ways. Okay, put it down. Boop.
then I'll go.
How would that like work?
There we go.
Yeah, that's it.